Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Sush Life. My name is Sushma and you're watching this channel today to find out how to get glowy, youthful and radiant skin. Let's begin the video. So whether you're a man or a woman, everybody needs to take care of their skin. Skin is a mirror. It's like a mirror. It tells the other person about how you're feeling, about yourself, and it reflects your personality. So it's very important to take care of our skin. As we age, our skin loses its elasticity and it makes you feel very dull and not so radiant. So this video will talk about how to revive your skin and make it look youthful and glowing. You can practice a good skincare routine, an exercising habit, and modifying your lifestyle a little bit will help you in the long run. Let's start talking about a good skincare routine, right? So what your skincare routine should look like. First of all, you should start with cleansing your skin, and then you should be moisturizing it and as well as toning it. So these are the main steps in this process. At least make it a habit to wash your face at least 2 times in a day so that you get rid of all the dust and all the oil that is secreted in your skin. So it also gives it more room for growth for your skin cells to repair. So make sure that you're washing your face at least 2 times in a day. Moisturizing is very important for anybody. Yes, whether you have dry skin or oily skin, moisturizing is a must. So you can use cream-based products for dry skin, and you can use oil-based like face serums for your oily skin. There is a video on my channel about various face serums and which one would best suit your skin type. Do watch that. Next, let's talk about sunscreen. So you know how harmful the sun's rays are. So whether you're staying indoors or whether we are all staying indoors these days, that is also a must in your skincare routine. So applying a sunscreen which is either cream based, or for oily skin you can go for gel based sunscreens. So they make your skin free from all the radicals, and they avoid your skin from darkening further. So applying a sunscreen is a must part of your skincare routine. For exfoliation, exfoliation is a must for your weekly routine. So whenever you have those dead skin cells on your skin, and you have those wrinkles building up and all that. So also to avoid clogging of your pores, so exfoliation is a must. What you have to do is take a face scrub and use it on your face, so that takes care of the exfoliation process. So also you can for further your skincare routine, you can go for body scrubs as well. So that will give you a good experience. You can choose a face scrub that has antioxidant ingredients. I can give you an example like a green tea scrub or a coffee scrub. They work very well, and they give you that glow as well as after exfoliation. So antioxidant ingredients, just check out for these ingredients when you shop for a face scrub next time. Let's talk about the next point, which is facial exercises. Yes, as our body needs regular exercises, our face muscles also need regular exercising. So there are some interesting videos on the internet which you can try out for yourself and see which one works the best. So the one which I use is for the double chin and to tone your face. So I'll put up some pictures over here. Stretching your face muscles will also improve blood circulation, and that will give your skin a glowy look. So the next point is exercise in general. So generally exercising on a day-to-day basis, or at least 4 times in a week is suggested, so that it helps improve the overall blood flow and blood circulation in your body, and that helps again with your glowy skin. This is the most talked about topic, is a skin friendly diet. So what do you mean by skin friendly diet? So all those oily foods and the sugary foods that you would crave about, so they cause a lot of damage to our skin. Oil and sugar are the most dangerous enemies, you can say, out there, that will damage your skin. So try to avoid as much as possible and eat water rich vegetables like cucumber, fruits which are rich in vitamin C. You can go for mangoes, tomatoes, and you can go for a lot of other fruits which have this vitamin C. Also, lemon water is very good for your skin, so make that also a regular part of your diet. Also, consuming almonds, nuts, so they also help in giving you that omega fatty acids which in turn make your skin look glowing. So in general, try to make conscious choices when you're eating your regular food, so that will help your skin in the long run. So in general, try to make conscious choices when you're eating your regular food, so that will help your skin in the long run. The next point is talked about, like it's a no-brainer. Water is a must, at least for flushing out your toxins and to get your skin hydrated. At least 10 to 12 glasses are recommended per day. That varies according to your weight and your body structure, but yeah, taking water regularly, that will help improve your skin texture. Another thing that damages our skin is stress. Yes, this is a least talked about topic, but yes, stress will cause those wrinkles and a lot of other skin problems, which you will notice it at a later point and you will not be able to reverse the effects of it. So avoid taking stress. So what you can do is, you can calm down. You can do some meditation exercises, breathing exercises, which can help you calm down further. Keep aside some time to detox from the digital world for a few hours, and you will notice that you are automatically calmer and you are able to think of new ideas, and your skin also reacts in a better way. So yeah, that has some positive sides of it. So once your stress level is reduced, then you'll be able to sleep well, and once you sleep well, your body will be able to generate those necessary hormones and the necessary things that you need for your overall health, and also in turn benefits your skin, and it will look your skin look more youthful. Also, everybody can try this out, and you will see the results in just 2 months. I am sure. I've noticed this, and out of personal experience. It will vary from skin type to skin type, and you should be consistent with what you're doing. So within 2 months, be ready to see the changes in your skin. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to forward it to your friends who need to watch this video. Yeah? Till then, take care of your skin, take care of your health, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.